What's going on, guys? Oregon Motorcycle back with another awesome episode. And in today's episode, I'm trying to mount this 21-inch tire on my Talaria Sting. Alright guys, real quick, I want to give a special shout out to eBikeZilla up in Canada. Those guys totally hooked it up here with this deal. I got the wheel and the tire from these guys. It came with a tube, it came with a couple extra spokes, and it just seems like a great product. So yeah, again, links in the description if you guys are interested in buying this wheel. They have super fast shipping and they are great to deal with. So again, that's eBikeZilla. Definitely go check them out. Alright guys, so I have this mounted up. I had to take the brake off right here just to get it in here, but as you can see, there is like no clearance. So we're gonna have to do something to make this wheel be able to spin on this RST fork. So this is an RST fork, and I have a Milk Racing wheel here, which is a 21 1.6. Says right there, you guys can see it. And this is the Geomax. It's the MX53, so it's a pretty decent tire. Has some awesome knobbies, and I really want to run it. I don't want to grind these knobbies, so I'm going to try to maybe shave a little bit off the inside of the fork. So let's see what happens. Alright folks, don't kill me for grinding on my brand new bike. It's working, okay? So check this out, look. Woo! It spins. You can barely hear a little bit of rub, but I have this sanding disc, so I'm going to hit it with the sanding disc, which will take a little bit more material off and clean it up a little bit better. Then I'm going to touch it up with a Sharpie, and I'm going to slap this thing on and see what happens. Alright folks, so there you have it. We have a Geomax MX, what is this? Geomax, sorry. MX53F tire. This is a 21-inch tire mounted on a Talaria Sting with the RST Killah forks. And all you have to do is just grind a little bit, and you'll get that clearance that you need, as you can see in there. This one, I think on this side's rubbing just a hair. You can hear it maybe. Maybe not, but it's fine. I'm done grinding. I just sanded it down and deburred it, and we are all good. And this is gonna work, you guys. This is gonna be rad. This is gonna totally increase the front traction, and I'm gonna be able to roll over obstacles a lot easier now with this. And I mean, this is a full-on dirt bike tire. So this is what I was talking about earlier in some of my other videos. So we're at dirt bike seat, dirt bike style handlebars, dirt bike style wheels, or dirt bike wheels. So all we're missing is suspension now. I got a Kenda Trackmaster. That's going on the rear. So until next time folks, Oregon Motorcycle.